In this video I will discuss about how I grow my nails faster in just 3 days. Amazing results. Hey there, friends! Today, I'm going to share with you an exciting tip that can help you grow your nails faster in just 3 days. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. So, a few days ago, I stumbled upon a technique that might just be a game changer for nail growth. Here's what you need to do before going to bed at night. Clean your nails thoroughly. Then, take some vitamin E oil and apply it generously onto your nails. Make sure to massage the oil into your cuticles as well. This will not only promote healthier nail growth but will also make your nails stronger and more resilient. I can't wait for you to try this out and see the amazing results for yourself. In fact, I've already seen some incredible progress within just 3 days. Just check out these before and after photos. It's pretty impressive, right? So there you have it, folks. Give this tip a try and share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to my channel for more awesome hacks like this one. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.